This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. Today in this particular topic, I'm going to cover one very JavaScript based, very interesting tool is there in the market that is called Puppeteer. I'm talking about this guy. Just a second. I'm talking about this guy. Puppeteer. Puppeteer. Okay, so this is JavaScript based tool which runs on Node.js and it works only and only for Chrome or Chromium. It can be used for headless as well as non-headless also. And it's very simple, very lightweight, very interesting. Okay, tool is there quickly for a small application. In fact, you can design page object model also. You can define your locators, and it's very fast as compared to other tools like Protector and Selenium. So what we need, I'll show you that, and it's freely available in the market. But only condition is that it supports only and only Google Chrome. And the biggest advantage, it supports headless, so you can directly execute it on your Linux machine, Linux or Unix machine, or any VM, or any cloud, or any AWS machine. You can directly execute without opening the browser. Directly, it will pick your Chrome or Chromium. That's it, and it's very fast, right? And I'll show you their page I just found on Google Chrome. See, this is a Git page and Google Chrome, okay, Puppeteer. And you can simply say that this is a code base. In the first line, they have clearly written, what can I do? This is the Puppeteer, this is here, right? We know Puppet. So a person who controls Puppet, that is called Puppeteer. So that's why the logo is like this. So what exactly? It's a node library which provides a high-level API control to Chrome or Chromium over the DevOps, DevTools protocol. Puppeteer runs headless by default, but it can be configured to run full non-headless Chrome or Chromium. What exactly it can do? It can generate screenshots and PDF of pages, crawl any single page application. It can do form submission, UI testing, keyboard inputs, up-to-date automate testing environment you can create, run your test directly in the latest version of Google Chrome. Whenever there's a new version of Google Chrome, you can execute, okay, using the latest JavaScript and browser feature, and capture a timeline trace of your site to help diagnose performance issue and test Chrome extension also. So I haven't explored this Chrome extension part, but most of the things I have explored about this guy, and then this is really, really cool, really nice feature and very good like guidelines and installation guidelines they have given. So I'll tell you how to install and we will write some basic script. In fact, they have given some sample script also. So I have taken some good script and then I have created my own basic things. Okay, and then I'll show you how to do that. So for editor point of view, I'm just simple using Sublime. That is again simple, just like Notepad. Okay, Notepad plus plus or Notepad you can use, or you can use VS Code editor also, or you can use Eclipse also. So I'm not using Eclipse and all. It's very simple, very straightforward tool. Okay, but the first thing, guys, you should have a Node as well as npm package should be available on your system. If it is not there, you need to install it. So how will you check that Node is available on my system? You simply go to your terminal, right? So this is my terminal, and simply write npm space -v. Yeah, npm is available, and we need to check Node also. So Node space -v. So Node is also available over here. So Node is 12, and this guy is this. So make sure that okay, it will work only and only after Node 8 version. So I'm having 12 versions. So if you have very old Node version available on your system, you have to upgrade it, right? And if Node and npm is not available, you can simply download. You can just go to Google and simply write download Node, okay, node.js, and here you can download according to your laptop. It's very simple, very straightforward, easily you can download. Same thing, after Node you have to download npm also. If it is not available, you simply go to download npm, and this is a link. Simple. You simply need to execute this particular command, npm install download, and it will be downloaded automatically on your system. That's it. You don't need to do any configuration, any system environment variables, nothing. That's it, right? So once this is done, let's see, this is done, and I'll go to my cd documents directory. Documents directory means, let's see, if I open my, okay, if I open my documents, what I'll do in my documents, I'll create a folder. So same like you can create a directory in your C drive or D drive. I'll do one thing. Let me create a folder, and let's see. I'm simply writing my Puppeteer, because one Puppeteer folder I have already created. I simply write, okay, something like this, and I'll go to this particular directory, my Puppeteer. It means it's available in my documents. So I'm already available in my documents. Now I just go to cd my Puppeteer, right? And this is the blank directory. Right. After that, what we need to do, we need to simple initialize the npm module over here. So how will you initialize an npm module? You simply write npm a blank, okay, directory, okay, it will be initialized. So just like in Java Eclipse, we need to create a okay, we need to create a project. Same thing. What you need to do, you simply write npm init minus y. Okay, this command you have to use, and then moment you enter, what exactly it will do, automatically it will create one package.json file. This is the main controller. This is the main, just like we have maven, we have pom.xml file. Okay, in npm, in node.js application, we have package.json. Either it is protector, either it is mocha, grunt, puppeteer, whatever. So any Java script based tools, they maintain this particular package.json file, and it will be created over here. See, automatically it will be created over here. Right, and I'll do one thing. I'll just open this packet.json in my Sublime editor or whatever notepad or something. So I just drag it over here, and you will see that, okay, see, this is my, okay, package name got created, package.json got created. Simple. After that, if you see, this is simple npm module, but we haven't downloaded Puppeteer so far. So what we need to do, we need to install Puppeteer. So after that, what you simply write npm, this command is already available on your GitHub, on their GitHub. I've already taken from there. You simply write npm install, okay, minus minus save hyphen hyphen save, and simple write Puppeteer. So Puppeteer. Okay, make sure that, okay, no spelling mistake. Puppeteer. Yeah, and then simple you run it. Okay, it's saying, did you mean install? Yeah, just a second. npm. See, I have done spelling mistake. I have written install. So generally we have to write npm install hyphen hyphen save Puppeteer. So let's run it again. And now here you will see that, okay, it is start downloading Puppeteer over here. See, again, I think I have done some spelling mistake. It's npm install, okay, hyphen hyphen save Puppeteer. See, I do this spelling mistake sometimes. Let's run it again. Sorry. Okay, now it is downloading the proper version. Now see, you can see that, and okay, Puppeteer is started downloading. You can see that, right? So I'll give this particular command to all of you. Yeah, this particular command. Make sure, guys, there is a TEER actually, and I'll put this command over here. Okay, this is for installation. Install Puppeteer. Okay, so let it download. I think, yeah, this is done. You can see that, okay, Puppeteer 1.19.0 got installed. Right, so this is available on my system now. Now Puppeteer is installed in my machine. Fine. Okay. Now what exactly we will do? We will write a basic script which will launch a page, a browser, that is obviously by default this is Google Chrome, and then we will launch, let's see, google.com or whatever the xyz.com, and then we will close the browser. So what exactly I'll do, let me create a new, in the same directory, right, in the same directory you create a new file. So let me create a new file, right, and this particular new file, what exactly the first line you have to write, guys, you have to declare one constant and one variable, okay, Puppeteer. So Puppeteer is equal to, you need to, just like we have Java import option, we have to use require. So what we need from npm modules, we need Puppeteer. So I'll simply write Puppeteer. Okay, yeah, and then this. So we need this particular Puppeteer, and then I'll define some config, and let me save this Puppeteer over here inside my Puppeteer, and this will be my test dot. This is my test class. So simple write test.js. JS means JavaScript, and click on save. So this got added, and for configuration they have given some sample. You can pick something from here if it is there. Okay, just a second. Okay, it's not there, not an issue. I'll show you, okay, how to write the configuration. So what you need to do, you simply write one let config variable is equal to, you start writing your configuration that what are your launch option. Okay, so my launch options, something like this, colon, starting body, ending body, that my headless. Here you can define your headless mode in your launch option. So by default it is, if you don't give headless, by default it will be in, okay, headless mode. So let's say I make it false. I don't want to execute in headless mode. So let's see, this is headless is false. So this is my first basic configuration. And then what you need to do, you need to use one command to launch the browser. So simple write puppeteer dot launch, and after that, whatever that your config variable, config dot these launch options, right? Okay, dot one method is there, then method, and here you need to write simple one thing over here. You simple write according to async, it means sync your browser. So async is the keyword, simple write browser, and here you have to use some lambda expression like this, and then a starting body and ending body like this. Okay, so let me, syntax is a little weird, but this is how we write in JavaScript. And this Puppeteer, okay, the same Puppeteer that we are using, same Puppeteer, okay, whatever the Puppeteer constant we have created, now we will launch like this. Now after launching browser, what we need to launch our page. So what exactly, I'll define one more constant, page is equal to, simple write one method await browser dot new page method is there. It means launch a new page. And with now this particular page, guys, will be helpful for us. So what we need to do, every time I have to use this method await keyword, right? Await simple page dot. Now we have to apply page dot what is the URL. So for URL in Selenium we have get method, but here we have go to method. It means go to where exactly in single quote. Let's say I want to go to some application. Let's see this guy, hubspot Okay, this hubspot.com login. So I simply write this particular URL over here, and then I want to close my browser. So again, await. For closing the browser, we have already defined keyword available. Okay, so simple write browser dot close method you have to use. Okay, so this is the basic script, guys, I have written, and let's see. So this script, what exactly it will do? What exactly it will do that? Okay, it will launch Google Chrome in without headless mode, because headless is false. It will open google.com, I mean, sorry, Google browser, and then enter this particular URL, and then finally close the browser. And my script name is test.js. You simple save it and make sure it's available in the same package over here. Whatever the folder, same directory where your npm module got created and package.json got created. Right. And after that, what you need to do, this particular test.js, we have to make an entry over here. So how will you make an entry? So you need to add one simple configuration, guys, over here in your package.json. In package.json, it's already written, right? A script. Where is your script? Where is your test script? Just like remember in Cucumber, we have runner file. In testng, we have runner file. Here we have to give script. So right now, by default, we don't need it. You simple write node test. This is my file name .js. That's it. So that is my script, and you simply save it. Okay, so this is the main configuration, and we are using Puppeteer as a dependency over here, just like, right, this is my Puppeteer dependency 1.190. So after installing Puppeteer, automatically it will add this particular dependency. So now, just because of this dependency, we can use all the methods which are available in Puppeteer to write our test cases. Now I'll simply directly go to my terminal. This is the directory, and here we will see that okay, test.js is already available, right? And here you need to run one command, npm simple write run and test, npm run test. Okay, this command is used to execute your file. So test.js file, it will execute, and in test.js file my script is ready, right? This is my script, so it should launch the browser. So let's see, simple write, and see, it is launching the browser. It was so fast and browser got closed. So I'll do one thing, let me remove this particular file just to showcase you guys that okay, it's launching Chrome and Google dot or whatever the URL. Now see, it is launching the browser and entering the URL, and hubspot.com is coming like this, right? So this is how you can simply launch the Google or browser or something like this. Now, if you really want to check, and if you see it is launching Chromium. Can you see that it is not launching the actual Chrome browser? It is launching Chromium. Okay, so Chromium, it will behave like a Chrome browser. And now, if you want to run it in headless mode, so you simply make it true. Now you will see it will not launch any browser and simple run it. Testing is happening behind the scenes. See, there is no browser, and it's after some time it will be done. See, still there is no browser. So it means the testing is happening behind the scene in headless mode. And see, the test is got executed over here like this, right? So this is how guys we have to, okay, we can execute in headless mode also. So this is about the headless mode. Now let's write some more test cases over here that let me just terminate it. Let me write some more things about how to write some element level things and all those things, right? So how to do that? So to do this thing, what I'm gonna do, simple, um, there are some commands, there are some methods which are already available. Like we have dot type method. It is used for typing something, just like send keys. Dot click method we have. Dot select method is there to for drop down values and all those things. So let's see some basic things I'll cover. So I'll do one thing. Let me create one more file. Let me create a new file, and we will write some more test cases. So I'll do one thing. This is my configuration and constant. I'll just copy paste over here. Okay, so this thing will remain same. And what I'm gonna do, that my configuration is this. And now I'm gonna define my locators. So I'll write some locators over here. So how to define locators? So let's see, for login page, I want to define some locators. So how to create your page objects, just like page factory, right? Locators or page factory or object repository or page factory, how will you define it? So to define something like this, you simply write const, once again, what is your home, what is your page name? So let's say my page name is login page locators is equal to starting bracket, ending bracket like this, and start creating your variable. So let's see, on this page, I want to define email ID, password, and login button. So how will I write it? You simply write my email ID. Okay, this is my locator. Just like, right, we have web element driver dot find element by dot. Okay, same thing. Email is equal to, so sorry, not equal to, you have to write colon. Remember this thing. And here in Puppeteer, only and only guys, CSS selector will work. So you have to write the CSS selector. So what is the CSS selector? Let me quickly check. So this is the email ID. I inspect this guy, and I can see that okay, ID is equal to username. So I'll do one thing, and this is the input field. So I simply write input hash input hash username, right? I can simply write it. So this is my CSS selector for this guy. Or I can write something like this also, that input, and I will be using that ID is equal to, sorry, ID is equal to username. So we have to write it like this, guys. ID is equal to username, comma. What is the second field you want to write? So let's see, we have email, and I have password also. My second element is password. So that password is also made of, let me quickly check. ID is password. So I'll be using ID is equal to password. Okay. What is my third element? My third element is, let's see, login button. So that is ID is login button and input. Okay. And the tag is button tag. So I simply write my login button colon button ID is equal to this. Okay. ID is equal to this. So let's see, these three elements I have defined over here. And then I'll simply save it in the same package. Let's see, this is my login page. Okay, login page.js. Let me simply save it. Fine. So this is my first page I have defined. Similarly, if you have home page, you can define same thing for home page also, like this. Constant home page is equal to, I define the home page locators. So let's say I'm writing only for login page. Now, what we have to do, same thing we have to do, that we have to launch the same thing. So I'll just copy this entire block and launch my browser. By default, this is obviously Chrome. And okay, we have to write const page equal to await browser.page. It means wait. This is just like page load timeout. Okay, so waiting for the new page. And what is the URL? Right, so my URL is this, the same URL, right? And what we need to do after this, we have to, guys, one more thing. See, if you see this particular application, the hubspot.com, right? So if you notice, I run test.js once again. Now see, in, let me make it false. The moment you run this particular application, see, first time it's taking around 5 seconds to display the login page. So how to provide a proper wait? Otherwise, okay, the tool will tell, okay, element not found or something like this, element is not interactable or something like this. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to wait that till email address is visible or not. So we don't have any implicitly wait or explicitly wait over here. What we need to do, you simply write over here one thing, that await, okay, page dot, one method is there, wait for. Okay, wait for which element? So you go to login page. So how to interact with the element? Login page dot, I'm looking for the email element. So simple dot email. So I'm waiting for this particular email. And once this is visible, then you perform something, then you type something. So what I'll do, I write await page dot, now I have to use type method to type something. Which element? Login page email element. Login page dot email, comma, what exactly you want to enter. So I want to enter, let's say, Naveen. Okay, my email ID is naveenanimation20@gmail.com, right? And await page dot type. Now what is my second element? My second element is login page, I mean this login page dot password. So dot password, comma, what is your password? My password is, let's see, test @12345, something like this. Okay, and then finally we have click. So we have to click on this particular login button. So again we write await. See guys, await is important. Okay, await dot, one method is there, click method is there, because now this is a button. So await dot click, and simple login page dot login button. So login page dot login button, like this we have to write, right? And then semicolon. And if you remove these spaces, okay, so this is the script, let's see, I have written. And what else? So I'm not closing the browser, I'm not writing browser.close. So let's see, this is working or not. So this is headless mode is true, and now I'm going to execute login.js. So okay, simple write login page.js, and let's see it is working or not. Oops, Complete logger. 1 second. Npm run. What is the file name? Login page.js. 1 second. 1 second. Missing script. Login page.js is there. Oh, sorry. We have to make an entry in package.json, right? So I'll write instead of test.js, I have to write login page.js. Okay. Okay, now let's run it. Let me clear the console. Login page.js. Again, 1 second. We haven't saved this file. Node login page. It's the same file, right? 1 second, guys. Login page.js. Okay, this is fine. What exactly it's saying? Okay, company log is no, this is there. Login page.js. Just a second, let me make sure. Login page.js is there. That is fine. And okay, this is also fine. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, I think I'm doing some mistake. No mistake. Let's remove this .js and let's run it. No. npm run. Okay, let me check npm run. The test is working or not. I'll make it test once again. npm test. Yeah, npm test is fine. npm run test is fine. Absolutely fine. Let me check once again. Do test.js. Okay. Login page.js. So in package.json, I'll login page.js. Okay, let's try it again. You need to write simple npm run login page. Okay, it's saying missing. Okay, I'll do one thing. This entire login page, right? I just copy this and paste it over here inside the test.js. Let's see it is working or not, and then I'll make two test.js back to. Okay, I'll check this problem later. So let's see. It is with test, it's working. So let's see npm run test. Yeah, with test it is working. So we'll check what is the problem with the file name or something. Let's see. So you can see that Chromium is getting launched. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me run it again, and we will run in headless is equal to false. Okay, we will make it in false mode, and let's run it again. Sorry about this, because this is the configuration, guys. You will also facing the same problem. Okay, now see, it is waiting for that particular element to be loaded. See, browser is getting launched and it will enter username password, although this username password is incorrect, and clicking on login button, right? It is working perfectly fine. So you just create test.js only and just copy paste your write your script for login over here. After that, what we need to do that let me close the browser also. It is working or not. So simple, I will write await browser dot close method. Okay, and then we will see. We just simple save it over here, and then let's see it is working or not. The browser should be closed automatically. See, browser got closed, and then you can check it over there that yes, it got executed. right? Without any problem. Okay, now, so this is the basic script, guys, that you can simply do it. Other than that, what else you can do? You can take the screenshot also. So how to take the screenshot? So to take the screenshot, let's see, before closing the browser, I want to take the screenshot. So what you need to do, you simply write await page dot screenshot method is there. Page dot screenshot. And what is the syntax? I just checked on their site. You simply write path colon whatever the okay .png file that you want to give. So let's say I want to give login page .png, something like this I want to create. So login page .png I want to give, right? And then you save it, and let's see it is taking okay screenshot or not before closing the browser. So let's run it, and it will not okay. It will take the screenshot within the same directory. So see it is done, and let's see screenshot is taken or not. So you can see that see 939 login page.png got created. You open it, see this is the screenshot, right? So the screenshot is also added over here, right? So screenshot is also done. If you want to take screenshot in full, okay, a full page screenshot, that option is also there. You simply write, okay, this is a path, and you simply write comma. One attribute is there, full page. Full page attribute is there, colon, it should be true, right? And then you run it again. So now it will take the full page screenshot. Let's see. Okay, now see again it will take login page dot this at 9:39 now, and then you run it. Let's see. Yeah, but that's okay. I don't know it's a full page or what, but whatever. So this is the screenshot got taken. Right. So this is a screenshot for a specific element. You can take it. One more thing, as they have written over there on their site, as I told you, you can take the PDF also. See, it's written that okay. See, it's somewhere it's written that okay, screenshot and PDFs of your pages. So how to do that? So for that they have given one command that once this is, let's see, after the screenshot, I want to generate the PDF. So of your page, whatever the current page, so of the login page PDF created. So page dot one method is there, PDF method. Okay, simple write await page dot PDF, and here you need to write what is the path, the same path. Let's say I want to give my path colon in the same directory. You just create your PDF name is, let's see, login page dot PDF. Okay, so one PDF will be created like this. Okay, so page.pdf method you need to remember. You just save it and then launch it again. So npm run test, and let's see. Okay, so let's see PDF got generated or not. No, it is not generated. Let's see, some error is there. It's saying okay, login page is not defined. Okay, let me check. Hmm, login page is not defined. Login page PDF. See, you are missing this single quote. Okay, so even I'm not used to with this tool, so even like okay, I can also do some syntax errors, but yeah, see, we have to write in single quotes. Now let's run it again. Okay, because yeah, we are not used to it, right, with this tool, so let's run it again. That's why I did not close the browser in the last execution. Okay, now still it's showing some error. Yeah, print to PDF is not implemented. Okay, what exactly the problem? Print to PDF is not implemented. Page.pdf method is there, and test.pdf or login page.pdf we have written. Path is also we have given. Okay, let me check. Do we need this or not? Okay, let's remove this await. Let's run it again. I think await is not there because we are not interacting with the elements or any page. It is just creating the PDF. So now you can see, can you see that login page still PDF is not generated? Still it's giving the same error. When to PDF is not implemented. Okay. 1 second, guys. Let me. Oh, that's my mistake, guys. According to their documentation, PDF will be generated only and only in headless mode. So your headless mode should be true. I just saw in the documentation the PDF will be generated only and only in headless mode. So that is a compulsion. If you really want to generate, it should be in headless mode. Okay, so let me write this await once again. Yeah, guys, these are the things we need to remember. Even I forgot. So now let's write again. Sorry about that. So see, in headless mode, Chrome is not getting launched. It is done. And let's see, PDF got generated. Now see, the PDF this time got generated. We open this, and for the login page, this is the PDF. You can see that .pdf. So for every page, you can create the PDF also like this. So this is a simple method these guys have, okay, written. Other than that, there are certain methods you can check their documentation base. There are certain methods like dot select method is there, page dot select, which is simple, same thing, page dot select. It will be used for selecting the drop down value. Okay, is also there, selecting the drop down value. You can do that. And if any other method, if I find, okay, if I find, definitely I'll try to create one more video on this particular tool. But I can, according to whatever I have seen the documentation and everything, on the basis of that, see, you can see that page.screenshot is there, browser.close is there. It's already available in the documentation. So I'm just referring, see, this page.pdf, and see, it's written over there. Create a PDF. This guy will create a PDF. Okay, so see page.pdf for more information about creating PDF. So maybe, yeah, that time I read about that page.pdf. Yeah, so see, this is information, header template, display header template, and all those things they have given. See, this is clearly written, is currently only supported in Chrome headless mode, the PDF version. Yeah, this one I was referring. And the earlier we were executing in normal mode without headless. So, but the PDF version will be available only in headless mode. So their documentation is really good, guys. See, mainframe, keyboard, page is closed. There are so many methods are available. You can refer this, and then you can check the documentation. Okay, and try multiple things. Cookies, delete cookies. Everything is available just the way you are doing in Selenium. For everything, they have given some specific method. Okay, so you can just play. Okay, paste dot frames, go back, go forward. See, all these navigation methods are also available, right? And go to URL method, as I told you, that see, this page dot go to method is used for URL, and proper documentation is available over there. Okay, with the proper examples and everything, right, guys? Page dot matrix, it returns containing matrix as key and value pairs, timestamp, the document frames, and everything is available. So this is also a very good method. You can try page dot, okay, matrix, page dot mouse event, everything. Okay, it's available. It's a huge tool, guys. So it takes some time because you cannot remember each and everything. Even for me also, obviously, it's not possible. But this is the latest version, and the documentation is available. So you just go through it, refer it, and then start writing some basic script over there. And then I think you are good to go. I'll provide the GitHub link as well as this documentation link also, okay, in the description. And then let me know if you have any issues. So if you like this particular video, guys, please like this video, share with others, and subscribe to my channel, right? So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video with some interesting topic. Thank you, guys.